Hey guys, it's me, Soso. Recently, my younger sister, my mom, and I have been obsessed with Spy X Family. My sister and I, we read a few volumes of the manga, and we've watched the anime as well. Actually, we just finished it. I'm not sure if this counts as spoilers since this is like episode 2 or 3 of the anime, but I recommend you guys watch it if you can. I've seen some fan art circling around, so naturally, I had to draw my own. I really wanted to draw Anya in Twilight, but I had no clue how Anya would translate into my style, and I'm not good at drawing guys in general, so I chose to do Yor. I figured she'd be the most interesting since she has her Thorn Princess side and her civilian side. When I showed this to my younger sister, she immediately started criticizing my art, saying that it looked nothing like Yor, and I did the face and the hair all wrong. And to that I say, draw your own fan art then. I ended up enlarging my drawing several times, since I didn't like the empty space around Yor. Unlike previous artworks, I wasn't really feeling the pressure-sensitive brush that I normally use for line art. Instead, I used a different brush that had no line weight variation. Also, I did a colored sketch to get a better feel for the art, something I usually don't do. I then color picked from the sketch to fill in the line art. I used the fill bucket tool for some parts, but it was getting tiring, so I just colored her in manually. I also made her eyes glow, something I'm pretty sure doesn't happen in the manga or the anime. So there's that. As a last minute touch, I added some blood on her since she's, well, an assassin. I didn't want to go too overboard, but I had a disturbing amount of fun covering her in blood. I tried different textured brushes since I didn't want to hand paint blood, because honestly, I was feeling lazy. Quick interruption. For Malagasy Independence Day, my sisters and I created an album of different Malagasy songs. It finally came out on Spotify, so if you have ears and some headphones, actually you don't even need headphones, go listen to that. My favorite is Como Ça va Dudu. Back to the video. I found myself wanting to quit this artwork and do another one since I was feeling very discouraged, but I'm glad I finished it. It was a lot of fun to draw, and I'm excited to read the next volume for Spy X Family. What do you guys think? Tell me in the comments section below. That's all, guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.